What's that? What am I doing? I'm packing up my Tesla Model 3 to head down to Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Midwest Tesla Gathering that's being held at the NCM Motorsports Parkway, where we're going to meet a bunch of great people and get our Tesla Model 3 out on the track to see what it can do. Come along for the ride. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. You are watching The Buzz, and today we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky at NCM Motorsports Park, putting our Tesla Model 3s to the test on a 3.2-mile track. So why don't you all come along for the ride, and we'll see what the Tesla Model 3 is capable of on this track. Alright, so we finished 8 laps already, and a lot of fun. I think we almost broke 100 miles an hour. We weren't quite there, but I think we were close. The next round, we're going to try and get in a faster group to see what we can do. But not only are we here to do this Tesla event, but there are also some other cool things happening here as well at the Speedway. Let's go check it out. see that we definitely peaked well over 900 if I set it to a 5-minute interval. But look at the regen that we were getting in and around the corners. That was absolutely fantastic. And I did not have to hit the brakes only once or twice, just because of the car in front of me slowed down a little bit. But for the most part, look at this graph. We are just using a ton of energy and able to come back down and gain a little bit back. So
ready to do another one?
We can. So we were at like 76%. We used about 10% of battery on that trip. So not too bad, but look at that. Awesome. All right, so there you have it, folks. That is the Tesla Midwest Gathering event that was held in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the NCM Motorsports Parkway. The course was fantastic. I got to meet so many great people, and it was just a very, very fun and exciting time. I can't wait to see what they do next year, and I'll be certain to pass that information along to you. So if you have never done an event like this, give you the opportunity to come out and join us for a fantastic event, meet a lot of great people, and just put your car to the test. It was absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much for tuning in. I truly hope you enjoyed the video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And certainly don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you so much.